Welcome suppliers. We welcome you to an amazing journey of setting up your business online. In this video, we will help you understand how to use the Supplier Admin Panel. On your journey to increase the online sales on Meesho, you will be working on the Supplier Admin Panel. It allows you to manage all your online selling needs on a tab. Here is an overview of the entire process on the Meesho Supplier Admin Panel. 1. Log in to the portal. 2. Upload your catalogs. 3. Manage orders. 4. Manage inventory. 5. Manage payments. 6. Increase visibility. 7. Resolve your doubts. Let's start understanding more about each step. To log in, visit supplier.meeshosupply.com and enter your registered email ID and password. Meesho makes uploading catalogs a hassle-free process. While uploading, you are provided with two options. 1. Single upload. 2. Bulk upload. Single catalog upload. Here, you can upload one catalog at a time by clicking on Add Single Catalog. Once you're done selecting the required product type, complete the details and submit it carefully. Bulk Catalog Upload. You can upload multiple catalogs at once using our bulk upload feature. Simply click on the Add Catalogs in Bulk button, search or select the product template you want to upload. Download the template file, fill the file accurately and upload it. Please remember that all the catalogs that you upload are sent for quality check approval. You can use this section to track the QC status of your various catalogs. While uploading your catalogs in bulk, you need multiple image links for all your products. You can get these image links by simply uploading all the images using our Images Bulk Upload tool. Simply select the images, upload and copy-paste the generated links. If you want to understand the process of single upload or bulk upload in detail, or if you want to understand how to avoid quality check errors, then we recommend you watch our dedicated videos on these specific
Managing
topics.
online orders on Meesho Supplier Admin Panel is very easy.
Orders section helps in managing all your orders on a single tab. Every new order appears in your pending tab. You can accept or cancel it at this step. If you accept the orders, it moves it to the Ready to Ship tab. Here, you'll have to pack the order as per Meesho's specifications, and a pickup agent will soon arrive and take your package for delivery. At this point of time, your orders will be moved to Shipped tab. If you or the customer cancels any order, it will move to the Cancelled tab. The On Hold tab contains the orders that are not yet active for you to dispatch. Don't worry, we'll move them to the Pending tab as soon as they are active. Let's talk about RTO and return orders. Here, you can see the list of your recently returned orders. An order can be returned back to you because of the following two reasons. 1. RTO. The delivery team is not able to reach the customer. Please note, Meesho will not charge any RTO fee from you. 2. The customer has returned the product due to some reason. In case of a customer return, you will be charged a return shipping fee. You can watch our dedicated video to understand the entire process of packaging, processing and penalties involved in processing an order to avoid any such errors. Manage inventory. To manage all your inventory items efficiently, you can use the Inventory tab from the Supplier Admin panel. Here, you can check 1. All your active catalogs and products that are in stock, out of stock, or low in quantity. 2. Status of your pending catalogs that are yet to go live on Meesho. 3. List of catalogs and products that have been blocked and the corresponding reasons. 4. All your catalogs and products that you've paused, that is, the products that you don't wish to sell anymore. Manage payments. This tab is for you to keep track records of all your payments. All the payments collected from the buyers is submitted directly to your account within 15 business days of payment collection. You can use the Payments tab to check your previously submitted payments, your upcoming payments, your deductions and compensations. To know more, you can watch our detailed video on managing payments. To increase your visibility on Meesho, optimization is a must. You can use Advertisement tab to reach out to more buyers who might be interested in buying your products. You can boost your catalogs by creating ads. To create ads, you just need to press Create New Campaign and fill the required fields. You can start running ads with a budget as minimum as INR 300 to expand your reach to thousands of buyers on Meesho. To understand which product to sell, you can always use our product recommendation tool in the product recommendations section. Meesho will regularly share market insights with you, in which we'll inform you which products are currently trending among Meesho buyers. We'll show you the exact product, their prices, number of units sold, and the time since it has been trending. You can use these recommendations and upload products if you wish to sell them. To ensure that the product is rightly priced, you can always use our price recommendation tool. It will help you to check the recommended prices of your products. You can go to the price recommendation section in your admin panel. Here, you will be able to see the best suited market price for your products. You can accept these recommendations and change your product prices, which will help in growing your sales on Meesho. Quality Dashboard. We highly recommend you to keep a regular check on the quality dashboard of your admin panel. Here, you will be able to see the customer returns, trend and reasons of your return for your products. We'll also share catalog level rating and overall ratings with you. You can use these reviews and ratings to make relevant changes to your catalogs, enhance your product quality and the overall customer experience. You can view detailed insights on customer returns and reviews Supplier Panel is built for the suppliers for each of your catalog set up their online business. We highly recommend you to still confused about any of our processes or to get better placements on the Meesho app and to get more by exploring our support section. The support section contains solutions to all your queries. You can select specific topics and find solutions for your doubts. If you're unable to solve your query using the information given, then you can raise a ticket and provide us with relevant information. We'll solve it as soon as possible. You can go to My Tickets to check the status of all your raised tickets. View updates and manage your account settings. To know about the latest updates on Meesho, you can always visit the Notices section on your panel. These updates can be regarding panel upgrades, new processes, logistics, supplier support, or even benefits available to you. You can go to the Settings section to change your current password, or to change your WhatsApp notifications status. To sign out of Meesho Supplier Panel, you can simply click here on the Log Out button. This was all you needed to know in order to use Meesho Supplier Panel. Happy selling! If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel